going on? I have the selfie stick out today, here with AJ.
What's up, YouTube?
Mainline Cars and Coffee. Just pulled up. And let me know what you guys think of the selfie stick thing kind of set up. Last time I had it on my head and it was really wobbly, I feel like. Yeah, I mean, hope you enjoy the video and let me know what you think. It's 2.2. I don't know what this thing is, but...
This thing has been beat up.
I thought it was...
Holy shit. It's got a new battery though. Fucking, that's the only thing new in this car.
Interior's pretty...
It is nice.
Never mind.
It is nice if it was cleaned up.
Oh, it's a Dodge.
It's got all your oil needs and washer fluid.
Yep. I guess he's good.
He's prepared for when this car starts leaking.
Oh, it's probably far beyond that point.
Oh, this is sick. Little banjo.
Susie would love one of these.
Little like journeyman.
So her. Soon, ladies and gentlemen. C5. Oh my gosh. It has to be a coupe though. But here's what I wanted to look at.
God damn.
This is a Callaway C4.
God damn. Jesus Christ. That's a big ass engine. Look at that.
Oh man, it's just getting started.
This is a good time slot.
GT40.
Holy shit.
Look how big the tires are. It's insane.
And I love that it's like bare minimum.
Fuck you, Ferrari. We did it better. That is awesome.
This is fire. All right, Edgardo. Okay. Oh, he's got a little Hot Wheel of his car.
Of course, we got the LS. Is that an LS or a Coyote? I can never tell the difference. True car guy right here.
Yeah.
C6. Probably second favorite.
My
AJ,
favorite.
it's calling you.
My favorite.
It's calling you, dude. Look at it. T-top.
It's such a good...
Oh, look at that interior. Look how small it is, though.
Such a good Sunday car, man.
I feel like the dash is huge. One of the reasons I had the Corvette sold to me 2 years ago was because his wife couldn't look over the dash anymore. She was too small.
Really?
Yeah. This is nice. Yeah, new M2. Is it a wrap?
No, it's paint. Holy shit.
I was gonna say, because
It's a matte paint.
it's like a stock color.
Wow. It's like a pearlescent. That's crazy.
I love the
It's
M2.
pearlescent.
Carbon mirrors.
Look at the screen.
Oh my god, dude. I want my gaming setup to be like that.
That's a Subway 6-inch.
It's insane.
This is, oh my god. Love it.
Take a look at the back.
This is the cleanest M2 I've ever seen.
There's a lot of right angles too,
There
but I feel like it kind of works. New WRX, and I'm actually repping Subaru gear.
Oh yeah, you're sponsored now. I forgot.
I wish. I would paint these fender arches, just me. It just makes it a lot
I didn't know the
cleaner.
black contrast. It flows well with the splitter.
Or make them carbon fiber. This thing is on the ground.
Wow.
You're basically sitting on the ground.
I don't know how he does it. One Philly pothole, my shit's done.
Oh, yeah. Let's pay some homage to the classics. Chevy
Side
Bel Air,
exhaust.
right? I don't know how you keep a car this clean, dude. I could never. Nice.
All right, come on, Adam. Where you at? we know you're around here somewhere.
Adam Bacana, you there? Y'all hold up. Adam Bacana. Yeah, dude.
Fucking, that's like a satellite.
This thing is great, though.
It is.
Wait.
It's pretty convenient. You know what's really funny, actually? If we take
Guys,
Hey,
here
guys.
Cars and Coffee.
I hope I like to point live.
This is the same car. Gardo, where you at, buddy? Oh boy.
Heat packing heat under this boot.
You running hot. Oh yeah.
Holy shit, it's Beetlejuice. Oh my god, it's a fucking taxi. I played this shit all the time as a kid. What the fuck?
Oh, this
Just a row of Lambo.
this one's special. It's 1 of 8.
Really? Holy shit.
Exactly.
This is the Le Mans edition.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
This was featured in one of my other videos. The license plate should say 1 of 8.
I saw
It
that.
does.
Where's the 750 said? 760.
Right.
Ooh, forged carbon.
Dude, this is the one Chris was pointing at, remember? He was like,
Jeez.
this ain't the new one, right?
I don't think so.
He on TEs too.
Is it? It's got the roll cage and everything.
That makes me mad. Don't even waste my money to go see it.
Just stick it out. 308.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that looks sick. Dude, it looks like a video game. It's nice. I'd love to see this. You've seen this guy plenty of times, but free water. It's really nice. It's funny because I tried the new Spotify DJ thing. The first song it recommended for me was Lamborghini Mercy. If that's the name of the song, I don't know. But
It's a sign. It's telling you to buy it.
dude, I wish it would have the air intake flaps up.
These boys.
Yeah, they like rise and it looks like a Batmobile.
I love how the windows are on this. It's just so like,
I know, right?
it doesn't look like it fits the car.
I would get this one.
The Lamborghini.
Hey, get out of the frame.
He's good.
It's okay. It's good.
Listen to the music. Dude, this will slay anything in Need for Speed.
This color
this
too.
is the go-to. Yo, legit street cars. Never mind.
Never mind.
Same.
Just too much yellow. Their calipers yellow.
Nah, dude, it works.
This is like Bumblebee if he was bougie as shit.
Yo, who's pulling up in the Honda Beat today?
This is nice.
Hey, babe.
Oh my god, it's right-hand drive. Wow. It looks like he not only killed a bird, but he
Killed
killed like,
multiple birds.
yeah. So odometer, it's verified for the odometer, so people aren't rolling back.
Nice. They don't care about keeping it original, you know. They'll put their own spin on it.
It's nice. You did it right. Yes. Yeah. Damn, that bay is clean.
Yeah, he's got a little infotainment system too.
I seen, because when he was behind me, I seen the dash, and it looks like a red pillow that like in front of his steering wheel. Holy shit, you can definitely fit a body in here.
Maybe a
That's so weird.
Got the M&M mobile. Roosevelt.
That is the Roosevelt. I get like mega Peaky Blinders vibes from this one.
Oh yeah, get all the friends in here, dude. Go out for a night.
That's crazy. This is fucking cool as shit.
Look, the footrest.
Yeah.
What is that, a cabinet?
Probably,
Drawers?
yeah, it's a drawer. Look, it's got a key. You need a key to get into it.
You got the trunk?
That's a lot of money. 1,200.
Is that a Supra? Alright. Check this out. One of the people here at Mainline let us in their car. They're gonna take us for a ride. Oh wait, wait. Do the thing, do the thing, do the thing.
Do the thing. Ah,
Oh, yeah.
8 hours of hard work.
Paid off. Sick.
Very nice.
Alright guys, so we're actually leaving Cars and Coffee. We saw everything that we needed to see, and we also watched some cars roll out, which was pretty cool. Me and AJ are heading out, and we have Callaway Corvettes behind us. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna enjoy editing it, and let me know what you think in the comments.